Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix camera shutter lag issue in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open the camera app. Now here click on this settings icon and then scroll down to the end and click on reset settings. Now here again click on this reset option to confirm, and after doing this your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then the second solution is open settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps scroll down and here open camera. Now go to the storage of camera and here clear the cache memory of camera app. So to clear the cache memory, click on clear cache, and after doing this your problem will be fixed. But if you are still facing the problem, then the next solution is open settings and here scroll down to the end and click on software update. Now here click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version, and after updating the mobile software your problem will be 100% fixed. But if you're still facing the problem, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down and here click on general management and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here scroll down to the end and click on reset factory data and then scroll down and click on reset again to confirm. So when you will tap on reset option here, it will reset all your mobile data. So that's how you can fix the camera shutter lag issue in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.